siphilayo ingamasoja, le mpilo siphilayo. Gunshot dawa phansi, ndavuka ndazivuthulula ubunzima bona ndiyabazi. Oh God, who else wanna see me down? Ivukile ibutele, and I'm paving my way nentwana zami. Buzu di, buzu shwela, buzu Tyler, buzu Swiss. Hola hops, ubo bambelela, ubo bambelela. Impilo inzima bo, impilo inzima bo. Ubo bambelela, ubo bambelela. Impilo inzima bo, impilo inzima bo. Le mpilo siphilayo ingamasoja, le mpilo siphilayo. Le mpilo siphilayo ingamasoja, le mpilo siphilayo. Oh, look at me, look at me, look at you, look at you. Please don't judge me. I've been there, I've been there, I've been digging gold, silver and bronze. It's been raining and pouring all these years abaphansi, ngathi bandilahlile. Kodwa njengephutha, I had to be strong for my kids, because my dad wasn't there. I had to grow fast. Grandma, naughty, naughty, you left us alone, but I made it. Now I've got 2 daughters, Imi and Z. Please look down, God, and watch over them, praying for the best. The journey wasn't easy at all. Engosi mama, imithandazo yako. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir.